Hi there, welcome to my mobile office here. Today I want to talk to you about slow speed handpieces and what to do if they stop working, stop spinning. So slow speeds are a lot different than high speed handpieces. When high speed handpieces stop working, it's usually because the turbine has gone bad and you just need to replace it. With slow speeds, however, there's a really good chance that you'll be able to fix it yourself without having to send it out for repair. So if you have a slow speed handpiece, like for restorative like this, where there's a contra angle and then this is your slow speed motor, or maybe if you just have a hygiene handpiece that's kind of like this, they basically work the same way. And so what happens oftentimes when they stop spinning, it's because oil from your lubrication procedures, when you lubricate your handpieces, or maybe just from your airlines, things like that, what'll happen is oil will get into the motor, and there's these little fins in the motor that open and close, and that when you put it in the autoclave, the oil will harden, and over time that'll cause the actual motor to stop spinning. Now, not all the time, but sometimes you can actually fix that yourself. So if your slow speed motor stops spinning, the first thing I tell everyone to do is go get some acetone or nail polish remover. So some acetone or nail polish remover, and put it in the smaller of the two holes. The smaller hole, that's your drive air hole. So put it in the smaller one, put a few drops in there, let it sit for a little bit, and then go over to your handpiece line and hook it up and try and push air through there. And you'll be surprised how often you can unclog these slow speed handpieces and get them working again. It's not always going to work, but oftentimes it's the easiest way to see if you can fix it yourself. So remember, acetone or nail polish remover and the small hole in the small hole, that's your drive air hole, and try that first before you send it in for repair.